So there is another question that the minimum number of the insertion or deletion is required to convert the string A string A into a string B. The what are the minimum number of the insertion or deletion are the required? What is the problem statement? How to be converted into the longest common section? It's related with the it's a variation of the longest common subsequence and the so suppose what are the problem statement that the first of all the things I will discuss here that there is a heap and there is a and character is a p if how many character is need to add and remove to identify the how many character are need to require add or remove to becoming the A and B. Is P is A is present? Yeah, A is present. And is E is present? These two character have to remain in the EAP. These two character have the present. I have to how many character have to remove I have to remove the C and P. And what need to be add here that instead of that there I have to add P here. So how many character have to delete? For the deletion of the character we have the remove the two character, and for the insertion of the character I need to insert the one character. So what do you observing that from them? The whatever the longest common subsequence longest common subsequence longest common subsequence or substring remain inside of it, and other than this the whatever the things I have to remove the things I have to remove. Here is also two inputs. Here is also two inputs, longest common subsequence and longest common subsequence input output return two types, return the two types. So what I have told you that the firstly find out the longest common subsequence. After finding of the longest common, after finding of the, for example here what is the best thing that the E and A are the similar to each other. So suppose E A P. If the P is not present between them, for example if P is not present between them, if P is present between them, that means here, then this is matches with this PEA, this matches with this, and in the removing category what included, remove these two things H and P. And if you remove then these two things become the adjacent to each other, and adding in addition category add P. This A is converted into this string A is converted into the string B. So find out the longest common subsequence, whatever the longest common subsequence. After finding of the longest common subsequence, you understand that this is the part are the common between these two string, and remaining part are the need to remove, and remaining part of these things strings should be added here. So for the removing part they consider the n1 is the length of the long s1 character s1 string, and for the removing part n minus whatever the longest common substring, this is part of the removing part, and this is the character which need to add from m to string s2 in string s1. So this is the character. So here we need to return the what are the sum of them. So that's why I return this n minus what is the longest common subsequence. This need to be delete, and what need to be insert m minus longest common subsequence. These things we need to add here.